Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'll be showing how to install Miui 10 Global Beta ROM to your Redmi Note 5 Pro mobile. Okay guys, you should boot into TWRP recovery. If you don't know how to boot into TWRP recovery, you can follow this step, or you can by switching off your phone and holding a power button and volume up button. After that, go there and select wipe and select Dalvik cache, system, data and swipe to wipe those things. And after wiping, go back to the main menu and select install and select the Miui 10 ROM zip file and flash it. The download link will be in the description, so you can download it from there. If you don't know how to install TWRP recovery, you can watch my videos in my channel. I already made a video on it. Yeah, now it's installed and swipe to reboot. Within 5 minutes you can install this ROM and you can start using, guys. Now just complete the setup. Yes guys, now setup is completed. You can see that the Redmi Note 5 Pro has been successfully booted into Miui 10 version. Okay, let me go to the settings now. See, this is a notification bar. It's completely changed. Wow, it's look great. Yeah, you can see the settings. Let me go to the about phones and you can see the spec here. It's a MI 8.1.0 and it is Miui 10. Android version is Oreo. That's all guys about this video. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel to view more videos like this. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.